The city of Riyadh has grown enormously over the last couple of generations, and as a result of that and the amount of water demand that the city has, the water that they use finds its way into the ground, and that in turn has eventually found its way into Wadi Hanifa. Typically it's a dry riverbed that runs partially through the city of Riyadh from north to south. It's about 120 kilometres long. It's got a watershed of about 4,500 square kilometres. So it's a big catchment area, but of course it's in the middle of the desert and it's dry. The objective is rehabilitation, it's restoration, and it's to create an environment that the people of Riyadh could enjoy almost as a public park, a linear park. If we can bring the water quality up to an acceptable standard, that water could be captured and recycled back into the city. And so what we decided to do was to develop a solution which relies upon principally a biological treatment process, a natural treatment process taking place. If you look at the food chain, really starting from algae right the way through the food chain, through fish, through birds and so on, through plants also that will take up nutrients, we're using all of those elements of the food chain to effectively strip out the nutrients to improve the water quality. And I suppose the end of the food chain within this bioremediation system is fish. And estimates range between about 1.5 and 2 tons of fish per week that will be produced from this bioremediation system. We submitted the project for consideration for an award in North America a couple of years ago as an example of an environmental restoration project, and it won top honour at that award. The project still has a huge amount of potential to take it beyond where we've got it so far, and we're already looking through Happel Consulting at a strategic study for the next phase of the Wadi Hanifa restoration project for an area called Al Hayya, which is just to the south of and within Wadi Hanifa, and we're working on that with the ADA now.
Al Hayya will have a whole host of different water-based leisure opportunities. We did market studies, economic studies, social studies, and we determined that what Saudi Arabia really needed was a national destination. We presented our scheme to the client in the last week or so, and it's been very well received, and the client has confirmed that they want us to go forward with phase 1.